We'd just moved into a cheap rental on the edge of the city. Second floor, tiny kitchen, but clean, mostly. On move-in day, we pulled the fridge away from the wall to plug it in. That's when we found it. A door. Painted over, sealed at the edges, but clearly a door frame behind the appliance. We stared at it in silence. I knocked. Hollow. Curiosity got the better of us. We cut around the seal, pulled the door open, and behind it, a narrow hallway. Unlit. And at the end of it, a room. We stepped inside. It was small, maybe 8 by 8. Bare floor, old lamp, stained mattress. The air smelled like sweat and something else, coppery. The light still worked. The room was warm, too warm, like someone had been there recently. We checked the lease. No mention of a second space, no blueprint that showed anything behind that wall. Later that night, I went back. The door was shut again. I opened it. The mattress was gone. On the floor was a spiral, drawn in chalk, and in the center, something I didn't see the first time. A crumpled Polaroid photo of me, standing in that room, holding this same photo.